We're back up at the church. Oh, let me turn this for you guys. And here's Trevor. He's trying to choose what snack to get. There's the Doritos Cool Ranch. Doritos Spicy Nacho.
We're gonna get sued.
Hey, shut up. I don't care if we get sued. They gonna go to hell. Okay, Cheetos Crunchy Style. Remember that? Yeah. Good times, good times. Funyuns Onion Flavored Rings. That doesn't really sound that good. Lay's Barbecue. Fritos Chili Cheese. Lay's Sour Cream and Onion. Not real good. Oh, and he chose Ritz.
I picked the wrong one.
Bits? Oh, you chose the wrong one, Trevor. What number did you put in?
7-7.
7-7. That's the number of the devil. Let's see, look, it even says push.
That is obviously not the number of
For-
genius.
For retarded kids, you can't really see it, but it says Push right there. Push. I was pretty sure that they only said that whenever some chick was having a baby. See, look at that. Ritz Bits. Let's get this in here. Uh-oh.
I guess some Funyuns.
Okay, you go ahead and get some Funyuns. Because my hand's stuck. Oh, there's Funyuns.
Here, let me go.
Okay, help me out, Trevor. Grab the Ritz Bits.
With one hand, right?
1, 2, hey, change.
Wow, it's only 10 cents.
Hey, no, you're still good.
Oh, look, I got 65 cents. That's heavy.
65 cents.
1,
2, 4, 5. We never counted the 3. Look at this. Ritz Bits. Cheesy.
oh man, it's a small bag.
Small bag of Funyuns. Hey, look at this. I bought these. Oh, excuse me, Trevor. I bought these 2 days ago. Still haven't fallen yet. I'm ashamed of this machine. How do they taste, Trevor?
Oh, huh?
Why are you rubbing them on your nipple?